Okay, this is part two, or at least part two, of this replacing these taps. Now, I've taken a little bit of sandpaper and cleaned up on both sides where I was possibly going to make a cut. Now, I have not been able to shut the hot water off. I tried the bung up in the loft and it didn't work. So I'm draining the tank. Now the tank looks like I've cleaned it before and it's only got a little bit of lime scale on the bottom of it. Looks pretty good, really. So I think, well, I'll end up probably taking the wet vac and getting the rest of that quickly out of there, because when you pour the water back in, it's going to bust that all up and we can't have any more lime scale in these pipes, really. So it's a bit longer. So that's almost finished now. I was just getting ready to do this one down here. Now you see you see the bottom of the wrench there? You have to come in here on your back. Come in here upside down here. Now you're looking up at the bottom of the tap, and this tool is working. This is the first time actually I can remember using it worth a shoot. So it's clamped around the nut, and remember, it's lefty loosey, righty tighty. So then you just turn it. You turn the handle here, so you got a little T on the end. Where's the T? This can be moved from side to side to give you access, because it's usually a lot more complicated. But you just, sometimes you want two hands, but you can't get two hands up in there. Let's stick it on. But it went on so beautiful the first time. I mean, it just clipped right on there. So you got to get it. Sometimes you might have to remove plumbing pipes, drain pipes or something to get to it. But that's the idea. So you just got to keep doing that until it comes loose and water squirts you in the face. Okay, so is it focusing? I don't think it's focusing, but that's underneath the sink. I'm out of focus too. I had to move the overflow pipe a little bit, but that's nice. Okay, bye.